Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about top 7 loan apps you must avoid in Nigeria if you want to live long, if you don't want to be defamed, if you want to stay clear from defamation, you don't want to have issues with your neighbors, with your friends, with your colleagues, with your business partners and all. These are top 7 loan companies you must never have business with. Top 7 loan companies you must never have anything to do with at all, because they will defame you, they will curse you, they will call you, they will give you heart attack and all. And not just about you and about your colleagues too, your loved ones. They will give you heart attack, they will spoil your name and everything you stand for. So number 1 on the list is one that has been since like 2015, 2016, but they became popular around 2017. Sokoloan will wreck your reputation. They will even tell people you are HIV positive. They will tell people you are a rapist. They will tell people you are a murderer. So you have to be very, very careful when dealing with them. You must never have anything to do with them. Yes, if anybody asks you why, tell them to watch this video. Before I continue, you need to understand that I have done some series of videos about loans. Number 1, I've done videos about top organizations that give study loans abroad. That's if you want to study abroad, these organizations will study your trip, they will finance your education, they will give you everything you need to study abroad without issues. Also, I've made videos about top loan organizations you can actually partner with, patronize, and you will not go to defamation, and you can get up to like 6 million naira from these loan apps. These are loans without collateral, these are loans without defamation. Once you patronize them, you are good to go. They give you a high amount of money. Now, the second one I want to mention is Flexi Cash by PalmPay. These guys are as terrible and as worse as Sokoloan. They are not different, they are the same thing. See, as nice as the PalmPay fintech is, the app is, it is very nice for savings. They have a cash box where you make money, but the truth remains that they are extremely dangerous and you must never have anything to do with them. They are as evil as Sokoloan. They have the truth is, the loan on PalmPay app is not really managed by PalmPay. It is more like a marketplace for loan companies. So they actually partner with this Flexi Cash by PalmPay. These guys, they are fraudulent. They have no respect for humanity. They will dehumanize you. They will call you every time. They don't follow the rules and regulations set by federal government of Nigeria, Google Play Store and iOS. So they are as dangerous as you can imagine. I would rather recommend that you go for Pocaah than you go for PalmPay when it comes to loan. So that is it. So these guys, they insult people. They send recovery messages that are not reasonable, and they degrade you with their language. So with their use of words. So if you can do without them, it will be better for you. Another one is EasyBuy. EasyBuy is not just a loan platform. They also lend people money to buy products, like phones, gadgets like laptop, television, freezer and all. But the funny thing is, once you default based on one reason or the other, might be accident, might be sickness, might be business issue and all those things, which are normal with loans. I have worked with microfinance banks, I've worked with microfinance institutions, and sincerely, I understand the fact that sometimes it's not all clients that are unwilling to pay. Some might have issues with their income, with their money and all. So, but these guys don't care, because what they are paid is from the commission, the recovery they make per day. So imagine telling your staff, you can come to office, I will not pay you. Yes, you only get paid after you recover some certain amount of money. So that staff knows that the feeding, transportation, healthcare is based on how much they can recover per time. So they will do anything to recover, even if they have to hack your phone, leak your nudes, or even curse you, curse your dad, curse your mom, curse your children, use derogatory words against you. So you must never have anything to do with them. Now, the next one is TLoan. TLoan has been since around 2019, and they have been defaming since then. I wonder why the federal government has not gotten them arrested, because they should be arrested and prosecuted. They are as evil as Sokoloan, as evil as Flexi Cash by PalmPay. They are also as evil as EasyBuy. So TLoan must never be patronized. They are evil. Do everything you can never to patronize them. Now we have Okada Naira. This one is quite new on the fence, but the truth is that it started on a wrong foot, which is what? To defame. As long as a business is built in this way, some persons will actually take these loans without paying back intentionally, because they know the highest you can do is to defame them. So, and they have to survive. So when a company does not put structures in place to make sure that those who really need loan and are qualified to get the loan or are capable of paying back take these loans, they will run into trouble. And loans companies like this don't really care if you are capable of paying back before giving you a loan. They don't even have standard. All they just do is what? They make sure they just push out loans, then put high interest like 30% or 50% in a week, not even in 1 month. If you are not careful, you end up paying like 120% interest in a month, because after first week you take another loan, pay 30% interest again, then take another on the same amount of money. So you end up paying like 120, and at the end of the day, one way or the other, you will run into trouble and you will be unable to pay back. Then they start defaming you and start causing troubles for you up and down. Although we do advise people, don't patronize loan apps, don't take loans if you don't have something urgent or a business to invest the money into. Also, we have SomeMoni, SomeMoni. These guys too, there are reports of them threatening people with messages and harassing them up and down with messages. Once you install their loan app, what they do is they inject a routing sub app into your phone, your device, and that app goes like a virus into your messages, go to your gallery, steals your data, and they can pull from their hand automatically and start defaming you. So you have to be very careful when dealing with SomeMoni. SomeMoni is as fraudulent as any loan app you can know or you can think of. Avoid them at all costs. Avoid them by all means. And that's it. So we have Pocaah. Pocaah is the last one on the list. Pocaah sends defamation messages to people, and they aggressively recover their money. And this aggressiveness is not on the positive side, it's on the bad side, because they will lie against you, send messages that are so derogatory. They will lie to people that use them as guarantors, use them as collateral, use them as whatever it is, so just to get their money. And people that never know where you took the money will eventually hear about it and start carrying rumors about you up and down. So I've always told you guys, avoid these loan apps as much as you can. And if you must take loan, just know that it is because of urgency or emergency, and these things are really, really important. Yes, so like I said earlier, we have some other videos on this channel that will interest you about loan companies, how to stop loan apps from hacking your phone, hacking your devices, and defaming you. So the links are there. Make sure you watch your videos, and make sure you subscribe to this video, to this channel, if this is your first time of watching our videos. We love you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye for now.